Let me show you how to use font ligatures that make common operators look like smooth, styled symbols instead of clunky characters. It's a small tweak that makes your editor feel a lot more polished. Here's how to enable them in VS Code. Consider liking and subscribing if this video helps. Thanks. First, use a font that actually supports ligatures. Great free options are Fira Code, JetBrains Mono, and Cascadia Code. If you haven't installed one yet, do that first. For example, if you want to use Fira Code, go to Google and search Fira Code font, and download it from their GitHub page. Once downloaded, extract the folder and go into the TTF folder. Highlight all files with Ctrl+A, right-click on any file, and select Install from the menu. Now that the font is installed into Windows, open VS Code. Click on the gear icon in the lower left of the screen and select Settings. Look for Editor Font Family. In the input box, type the name of your font exactly. In my case, I would input Fira Code. While still in Settings, in the top search box, search for Font Ligatures. Click Edit in settings.json. Look for the Font Ligatures property and change the Boolean from false to true. Now restart VS Code. Your code will now display cleaner, smoother symbols for common operators. It's a subtle upgrade that makes a noticeable difference.